Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from QuickBooks Online to bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from QuickBooks Online to your bank, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select the Accounting tab. Under the Accounting tab, click on Chart of Accounts. Click the View Register option on that account. In the Register, select the Add Deposit button or the Plus New button, depending on your interface. Choose Bank Deposit from the drop-down menu. Fill in the necessary fields, including the date and account from which you're withdrawing. In the Add Funds to this deposit section, include a description for the withdrawal. Input the amount you're withdrawing in the Amount field. Ensure that the account you're withdrawing to is correctly selected in the Account field. Once everything is filled in accurately, click the Save and Close button. To confirm the transaction, navigate back to the Accounting tab and check your bank register. You should now see the transaction reflecting the withdrawal amount. Next, log into your bank account to ensure the deposit appears. If the transaction is not visible, give it some time as processing may vary. For any discrepancies, you can review your QuickBooks transactions for accuracy. With this process, you've successfully withdrawn funds from QuickBooks Online to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.